Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is TCL brand washer and dryer. How to replace the door gasket. This gasket already damaged. Now I'm going to replace the door gasket and we will go to the next step. First I will remove the detergent drawer here. You can see here. After that I'm going to remove the top cover. Back of the machine having two screws are here. We have to remove the two screws. So like that. Now it's already removed. Now I can take it out. You can see it is very easy for us. After that I'm going to remove front panel because we have to release the front door with the panel. Because of that I'm going to remove now here two screws with the drawer area, detergent drawer area. This two screws we have to remove. After that we can release the control board with the panel. Now I can take it. Yes, you can see. Also no need to remove the harness because we need to remove front cover only. Because of that no need to release harness assemble from the display PCB. Because of that I'm not going to remove the harness from the display. Now I have to remove the here door gasket ring, otherwise we are not able to remove the front panel. Because of that very careful we have to remove this ring because don't scratch with the body. Now we can release gasket like that. You can see it's very easy. After that we can release door switch while pressing this two locks. It is not available screws. Because of that now you can see how to release that one. While pushing that two locks at the same time you have to pull out. It's like that, it will come out. Now we will remove front panel screws. Here one screw, also other side also one screw. The downside will come three screws. All five screws we have to remove. Now we can take the front panel out. You can see. Now you can see here we have to really remove the gasket. Now you can see here also it is water gone actually. Because of that now I'm going to release the door switch. I will keep it out until getting dry. It should be get dry. After that it will be okay. And I release already door switch. Now I'm going to release here dry duct gasket clamp. We have to remove this one. It is only one screw. Also we have to remove the balancing also, otherwise it's little bit difficult. Some brands we are finding no need to remove balance, we can fix gasket. Sometime LG also fixing, but this one little bit difficult. Because of that I'm going to really remove the balance, to balance from the tub. Now I'm going to remove the two balance. After that it's very easy for us. Now I removed both balance from the machine. Now very easy to remove the gasket. Now we will release this gasket ring from the tub. It is actually we can release very easy. Now here it's like that. You can see I already removed the gasket from the tub cover. This is the new gasket. I will show you. It is still in box. I have to take it out. You can see whether it is as same, which is damaged. Yes, it is okay. It is as same, which is damaged one. Now first of all we have to fix this one. Before fixing gasket little bit, we have to loose dry duct actually. It's like that. I'm going to remove screws from the duct. Otherwise it's little bit difficult to fix gasket. Because of that, don't forget, just remove the dry duct. After that, it is very easy to fix gasket. Because of that, I'm releasing here screws. After that, it will get loose. While gasket fixing time, just keep the dry duct with the gasket for the measurement, because already indicator the mark is there. Because of that, you have to fix dry duct. After that, you enter the in between tub and drum gasket. Otherwise it will touch with the inner drum gasket, which will get damaged. Also it's making abnormal noise if you are not fixing properly. Like that, you have to fix properly. It should be gap gasket and inner drum. To rotating time is not possible to touch. Because of that, very careful, we have to fix like that. You can see. Otherwise you have to remove the whole tub. After disassembling tub, only we have to fix the gasket. No need to do that much job. This is easy way. Now it's like that, you have to fix properly. You can see. But externally you can fix gasket with the top cover, but internally you have to do the same way. You can see it is like that. It should be the in between gasket and inner drum should be the gap. Otherwise it will touch. Also at the same time it will make abnormal noise also. Because of that, careful, you have to do that job. It's like that, you can fix. Now gasket already fixed with the tub. Now I have to fix the gasket ring. It should be good tight. Properly you have to tight. Otherwise gasket will come out again. Because of that, you have to tight properly. And again, careful. Again you have to check twice. You check the gasket fixed properly. Now I'm fixing rings, gasket ring. Now gasket already fixed. Now I have to fix with the dry duct. Also tight properly gasket rings like that. We have to tight properly. Now it's done. Now I'm going to fix gasket and dry duct properly. We have to fix with the clamp, and we have to take it up here like that. Actually, if you are not removing dry duct screws, it's little bit difficult, because we cannot adjust properly. Because of that only I told you, it's actually remove. It's very easy. Now I can fix the clamp with the screw. After fixing this one, I have to fix two balance, which is we removed before. Now I'm going to fix top side dry duct screws. Before we remove all the screw, we have to fix properly. Otherwise, while spinning time, it will make abnormal huge noise. Don't forget, actually, you have to fix again as same all the screws which are you removed before. Otherwise, this will make terrible noise while spinning time. Because of that, don't forget that one. After fixing this one, I have to refix balance, also front panel, everything. After that, our job will be complete. Now I'm going to refix balancing. Now I already fixed to balancing, everything is tight properly. Recheck, double check. Door switch also I fixed. Now I'm going to fix front panel, and I have to fix 5 screws, 3 downs and top 2 screws. Also gasket rings and door switch lock, everything. Now I have to fix these 2 screws first. Now I'm going to fix door switch. It is already connected, I already fixed. Now I have to fix the lock only. This one properly you have to fix with the lock. No screws are there. Before, while removing time, actually this door lock release cable I already removed. Now we have to fix that one also. If it is removed, you have to fix definitely. Otherwise, unfortunately, in emergency case, you are not able to remove the door lock. Because of that, definitely you have to fix that one. Now it is door lock. That's this way we have to fix. Its lock will come like that. Now it's okay. Now I'm going to fix door gasket and front panel. It's like that. Also easy, but we have to fix properly. Gasket already fixed. Now I'm going to fix gasket rings. That one also careful, we have to fix. Don't damage washing machine body. It will come scratch. Because of that, properly we have to fix. Now it's okay. Now everything perfect. Now I have to fix only the control board with the panel, and here like that we can fix. All 4 screws I have to fix, top 2, and with the detergent drawer 2 screws like that. First we will fix detergent drawer screws 2. After that, top screw, it is stainless steel, 2 screws special. But please don't put any other screws, it will get corrosion. Because of that, you have to fix the same screws. Now I will fix drawer, detergent drawer also here. See, it should be loose, otherwise it will get tight. That means it's not fixed properly. And here drain door cover guard also here. It's okay now. Now top 2 screws. Also I fixed 2 screws. So now I'm going to fix top cover. It's like that. 2 screws back of the top cover. Now everything I fixed. Now I'm going to check the machine. Now I already select the option here. Now I'm selecting here 25 minutes. Start the machine. Now water will take it inside. You can hear the noise. Dear friends, my job already completed, machine running well. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel.